Hi friends, this is Ray from Honeytop Bees. I want to show you what a failing queen looks like today. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can find her, take her out. I'm going to put a queen cell in here in the next couple of days, so that I'll give them a couple of days to get used to being queenless.
Coming up.
Oh no! And then I'll come in and I will take out any queen cells that they create and give them a viable queen cell. So I'll show you what it looks like, how you can determine that your queen is getting a little bit older. I got this hive actually from from a swarm that was inside of a house, and so that swarm probably had an older queen at the time that they swarmed, so that already put her behind a little bit. Alright, so I'm looking for my queen. I do see some spotty larvae up here. But not a good laying pattern at all. I did mark her. I marked her green when I got her out of the house. I don't see her in this top box. Let's go down below. Hive beetle. This is some of the comb that we cut out of the house. That's why it's in there kind of weird. It's been about 6 weeks. They still haven't even finished drawing that out. This is completely empty. This time of year, March, that should not be. And this just has honey on it, no brood, completely empty. You can see this queen is failing. There's hardly any brood at all in this hive this time of year in March. So there's a little bit of spotty brood in here. But still, I am not finding her. So this is going to be a problem, because if I can't find her, it's going to be a hard time taking her out. This is just a frame of honey that we put in there for them. So we go through again and start looking on the bottom too. Actually, I think I'm going to go ahead and take this box off. Make sure she's not down there. She has to be in here because I did see some brood. She's definitely not on the bottom. So anyway, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to find her, but I just wanted to show you how you can determine that your queen is failing when it's the biggest time of the year. We're in late March. All the other hives have several sheets of brood on them, and this one doesn't even have one sheet of brood anywhere in it. And we've given it plenty of bees, we've given it plenty of nutritional resources. Where is she at? There she is. Oh, she's really pretty queen. See her right there? But she's only laying like every third cell. So you're just going to grab her and pinch her to take her out. You can zoom in on this. You hate doing this, but this pincher, you know, some beekeepers will, uh-oh. Are you still alive? Pinched her and she lived on. The eternal queen here. And then she fell down in there. Well, this is making a more interesting video now. Now I gotta find her again, make sure that I got her all the way. Oh gracious. I pinched her pretty good. I felt, oh, here she is. All right, now I got her. All right, so we'll put a new queen cell in here in 2 days when I get them. Come in, kill any queen cells that they make, and put a new queen cell in here on Friday. See if we can get this hive going a little bit better for spring.